Puttu or steam cake is a traditional Kerala breakfast, and today I will show you a recipe for a healthy version using oats, and that too in a colorful way so that kids are going to just love it. I have already updated the recipe for oats and ragi puttu in my channel before. It goes very well with banana and some ghee, or even with spicy gravy like the chana curry, or even with non-veg items. Okay, so this is the star ingredient. I am using beetroot and carrot for the color. Let's check out the ingredients used. So I am using a medium size carrot. I will chop it and transfer it to a chopper. So if you are using a chopper, it's more easier. Otherwise you will have to chop it into fine pieces before you transfer it to a blender. So once chopped, I will transfer it to a blender jar. This is around 5 to 6 tablespoons of carrots, and there are two varieties of oats. I am using the regular variety and the rolled variety. So here I am using the regular oats. I will add 4 large tablespoons of oats, 2 large tablespoons of wheat flour. I am using wheat, then 2 large tablespoons of rice flour, followed with some 1/4 teaspoon of salt for taste, and then I will blend it until it's evenly blended. So I will check the texture of this mixture, and I found it to be a bit dry. I added 1 more tablespoon of flour and blended again. So this is the texture you want. It must hold its shape when you press it with your hand. Okay, so there must not be any lumps. Now next we are moving on with the beetroot. I have taken half a beetroot, which was around 75 grams. I will chop it again like this. This is my Tupperware chopper. You can use even your hands to chop the beetroot or the carrots finely. Now transfer this to the blender jar. So again, the water content of the carrots and the beetroot are different, so you will have to adjust the flour accordingly. Here I am using 4 large tablespoons of rolled oats, not the regular variety. You can see the grains of the oats. So here 4 large tablespoons of oats, 2 large tablespoons of rice flour and wheat flour. Okay, so you can replace this rice flour and wheat flour with ragi flour or millet flour, whichever is according to your liking. Now I will blend it and I will check for the texture. It is too wet, and I will add 1 more tablespoon of wheat flour to adjust the texture. Okay, now give it a mix and check for the texture. It's perfect. We will move on with the coconut. I am using a scraper to grate 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut like this, and I am using a coconut shell to layer this puttu. So you can add water in your pressure cooker and let it boil. Meanwhile you will layer. First layer is some coconut, and I will top with the beetroot mixture of oats, followed by the carrot. This you will not feel any flavor of the vegetables. You just give it a try and see. You will not feel the flavor of the vegetable. It goes very well with spicy gravies as well. Then top it off with some carrots, and here I am putting on top of the pressure cooker and covering with a lid. Now let this steam for around 5 minutes until the vegetables are cooked well and you get a nice aroma of the oats and the veggies, and you will invert onto a plate and serve it along with banana and ghee and sugar, or with some spicy gravy according to your liking. So do enjoy, try, and let me know your feedbacks and comments. I'm sure you will be liking this recipe. Do check out my other recipe too. Take care and thank you.